So let's verify that tan theta is equals to 2 tan theta over 2 over 1 minus tan square theta over 2. So the identity we're going to be working with here is the sum and difference identities. So the identity looks like this. We're going to say tan, then that is alpha plus beta. This is equals to tan alpha plus tan beta. And all this is over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So it's because of that negative, that's how I know that we have to use the alpha plus beta. So since we just have one angle there, which is theta, let's compare the angles. We can clearly see that the angle that we have in the identity is alpha plus beta. So we can say alpha plus beta is equal to the angle given, which was theta. Suppose these two angles are the same, that would be alpha plus alpha is equal to theta. So 2 alpha is equal to theta, hence alpha is equal to theta over 2. So what we're saying is alpha and beta are the same. So alpha is the same as beta, and this is just the same as theta over 2. So replace every angle, which is alpha and beta, with theta over 2. So our identity now will look like this. We'll say tan theta over 2 plus theta over 2. This is equals to tan theta over 2 plus tan theta over 2. All this is over minus tan theta over 2 times tan theta over 2. So alpha and beta are the same, and we've replaced everything with theta over 2. So this is what we get. So now theta over 2 plus theta over 2 is just theta, because that's just as good as saying half plus half. So tan half plus half, we just remain with theta. Tan theta over 2 plus tan theta over 2 is 2 tan theta over 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta over 2 times tan theta over 2 is tan square theta over 2. So there we have it.